Okay, there we go. I believe I am not orange no more, so that's good. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Maggie Hardy. Hi, how are y'all doing this evening? From now until Saturday, I'm going to be uploading a video every day. This is not the series that I was talking about. I wanted to do 2 Valentine's Day looks, which will go up today and tomorrow. And then Friday, I'll do like a birthday makeup because Friday's my birthday. We'll see what happens with Saturday. Not quite sure yet. Today, we're going to be just doing a very simple Valentine's Day look. Something that you can go on a date with. No, Valentine's Day is on Thursday, but when Friday and Saturday rolls around, y'all go get them babysitters and y'all go out with your hubby, your boyfriend, your significant other. If you're alone, and if you're by yourself, I hope that you make the best of it. Guys, the good Lord has somebody for everyone, and your somebody is coming. I'm gonna be doing things a little bit different today. You can't see, I did my eyebrows different, and I am in love with it. I've been really trying to focus, like trying to do the hair-like strokes, and the more practice I do, I think the better we're getting. So I usually use the P. Louise base, but since this is like an everyday, everybody tutorial, I'm just gonna do my lids with concealer. You guys prime your lids with whatever you have. I'm also going to be bringing this out because I am going to be flicking the eyeshadow out today. For today's look, we're gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill Original palette. I have not touched this palette in forever. The first color we're going to dip into is going to be this color right here. I don't have my pamphlet because, I mean, it's been so long since this came out, so I don't know where it is and I don't know the names of them. It's going to be this color. That's what y'all gonna hear. So I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush. This is, you guys can use whatever brush, and I'm gonna dip into that first shade, and this is going to be our transition shade, and I'm just going to lightly feather this in my transition area. Kind of set that concealer into place so we don't get no creasing. And I'm just going in with light feathery motions and circular motions, swipey motion, whatever works best for your eye. It's a more tapered brush. This is the Morphe M573. This burgundy shade right here. I really hope I'm not orange. And I'm just taking the smallest amount. I know that don't look like the smallest amount, but it really is. I'm going to focus this right here in my crease first, using very light blending motions, and I'm gonna work that from the middle in and then outwards. I don't want this color too pigmented. I just want it to be a nice easy transition. I'm then dipping it to the side, like in the palette I dipped it like this, and then I'm gonna take that on my outer corner. Y'all know I have very mature eyes, so blending takes a little while for myself, and I'm really trying to keep this straight, and then I'm flicking it out and then taking whatever is left on the brush, giving my eye a little bit of pigment. From this point forward, you can go darker, you can go lighter. The good thing about this is that you can do this with any shadow. Like this Jaclyn Hill palette, you can pretty much find every one of these shades in the drugstore. This palette is very versatile, and if all you have is a drugstore palette, y'all can do the same thing here with these shadows. Just use different shadows if you'd like, because when you follow tutorials, it don't necessarily have to be the same exact colors that people are actually using, or that I'm using, or anybody's using. Going in and fixing the blend just a little bit more. This is actually a buffer brush, but I'm gonna use it for a shimmer pigment. So the pigment that I'm going to dip into is going to be this color right here. And this is why we do our makeup or our eyes first, is because I know these shimmer shades, since I'm not wetting them, they're going to have a little bit of fallout. Instead, I'm gonna go in with this on top, like a light pearly pink, but mix it with this one right here. I'm gonna go in with another fluffy brush, so that way I can really get the mixture of the two shadows put together. Tap off the excess, and then I'm just going to place this in the middle of my eye. This is really where we want focus of our eyeshadow. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it so much. So now that all of this is done right here, go in, clean this up. Go ahead and just put your face makeup on, however, whatever way you prefer to do it. This day is your day, so you don't have to listen to me. I'm just showing you a quick, easy, simple look. So do your makeup and we'll be back. I know this might look a little harsh. Everything might look a little harsh. I was trying something a little different with my face today. The tapered brush that we use for the darkest shade. I'm going to go in here now that I've done my concealer. I'll blend this out. And then I'll take that on my bottom lash line also. And I'm not gonna take it all the way in. For highlighter for inner corner and Spotlight palette, this is what I used for my highlight. Boom, like yes. She's gleaming. I'm going to get the top of my brow bone. And then I'm also going to get my inner corner. Look at that. BH, you did that. So freaking beautiful. Okay, so now you can throw on mascara and lashes. You can do pretty much whatever you want to do. You don't have to have lashes on. So I know I usually put lashes on, but today I'm not going to because this is an easy for everybody look. I know 90% of people do not wear lashes. So since everybody don't wear lashes, I'm not gonna wear lashes today either. I just threw on some mascara and you guys, boom, look at this. Don't mind my hair. It's deep conditioning right now. Might do some things with it for my birthday. I don't know yet. Don't mind the hair in this video today. Lipstick, I went in with Pixie by Petra, and this is in the color Really Rose. And then on top of that, I just went in with a nude gloss from Morphe. Alright guys, so this concludes the video. Nice, short, sweet, and simple. Y'all let me know down below what y'all think about this look. I want to start doing more simple looks for y'all, more affordable. I know I've been on a color tangent, like I am just living for color right now, but I want to cater to y'all also, so I want to do more wearable everyday, you know, glam, soft glam looks for y'all. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you see, subscribe to my channel. If not, it's cool. Maybe I'll see you in the future. Also hit that bell notification. YouTube be playing. Yeah guys, I don't like YouTube playing. You can also follow me on all my social medias. Everything's linked down below. Instagram and Twitter, Maggie_Hardy88. Before I leave, my skin looks fabulous today. If you want to see kind of like my morning skincare as of right now, it is up on my Instagram stories, so y'all go head over and check that out. Quick, short, easy video. Yay! I love y'all. I'll see y'all very soon. Bye y'all.